Hello everyone. Today we're on a hike again. Actually, Vincent's girlfriend now arrived, so it's really nice. We have company now, and we're going with Locke. He's our tour guide for today. We're in a really beautiful area. It's kind of northeastern of the Hong Kong city, and there's like a big water reservoir. We're gonna go to the beach, maybe take a swim, even though it's not that warm, but we'll check it out for sure. Stay tuned. You like the toilets?
I feel like I will never be the same.
You are polluted.
It was an interesting experience, peculiar.
You open the door and there's like this much space between the toilet room and just yellow tissues.
Bruh.
I like rocks, but I don't like sticks.
No.
What?
Playing a funny game. They're loving it. Bro is applying the 120 sunscreen. I mean, it's UV7, bro. Crazy. And I'm white. As white as it gets. I don't, just trying to give me that dirty shit. I don't want it. Locke laughed at him for being white.
I'm racist.
And all of us.
I'm racist.
The nice scenery. But have you been in Baden-Württemberg? It's our destination. So look, did you bring sunscreen?
No.
What is this then?
This is mosquito repellent.
Yeah, real men get bitten by mosquitoes.
I'm not.
Severus Snape. Snape.
Yeah.
Snape. Severus Snape.
Ron!
Severus.
Ron Weasley! Damn. It's so beautiful and so ugly at the same time. It's like you. What is this? Bro, it's attached to the algae.
Yeah.
I don't know if hippo is fat or not, but I know pig body fat is like 15%.
Oh, they're shredded.
Yeah.
Quei gadget speciali, ma chissà come mai, quando poi ce li dai, andiamo sempre mille guai. Doraemon.
There's cute plushies. Like that's Pikachu after he started taking drugs. This is gonna be you if you continue taking people's heart.
You see how.
Bro, who shed here?
I don't know, I like the chords and the palm trees. I would swim in it. I don't have.
Oh, it's not that cold actually.
No, it's fine.
Oi,
I would swim
Yeah.
in it if I had.
gonna be fine. Yeah. Are you gonna swim? Yeah. I could have pet it, but I think it wouldn't necessarily have cared, but it also looked a bit too unbothered in the sense that it might just fucking kill me. We have water pipe at home. Now and a cow. Looks pretty similar. Okay, we're going to a more remote beach now. Because Locke says it's a bit more beautiful. So, yeah, see you there. I think Locke looks more like a tourist than you do, for some reason.
That's my backpack.
Yeah. Goofy sitting area. Oh, is this like a sun clock? But there's no shade. There's no numbers. There's only shit everywhere. Go ahead.
This poop are clean though.
Yeah, this is on
How
video.
it eats grass. So
Purely theoretical question. But if you are a vegan and like you eat animal food,
no.
is it still like
vegan.
Are you still a vegan? Because technically it's an animal product.
Literally, you don't eat poop.
Hot take. I think it's the important conversation on a hike.
Any other.
doing some backflip training with the teacher Locke. Get this sick ass tattoo, man.
We're going to do a front flip.
Okay, do it.
I haven't done it for a long time.
Go, 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 go!
I believe in you. Damn, nice, nice.
Hey!
I already did 2 backflips. Was quite scary, but like when they help you pushing, it's fine. But I think I wouldn't be able to do it alone yet because I'm not tucking in enough to get like enough rotation on it. It's still really fun and it's like a mental challenge. Hear it buzzing over there, like the electricity. We're in Taiwan. Why are they caging the rocks?
I know. This stone prison.
What did they do? Damn, bro. Bro's just flexing on us.
What the fuck?
This wall is made out of bottles.
New technology door handler. You put big stick in gap.
Bro. I mean, but it fits to the whole vibe of this building. But it has AC. Exploring the ruins. Damn. It's also an interesting door handle. I love those abandoned buildings. Is this a motorcycle?
Where? Oh yeah. Welcome to my
The crib. Oh, there's
the head.
there was a gecko. The way back is so exhausting. It's like much steeper than the way to the beach. Well, at least like now the sunset, so it's not that warm.
I thought you actually slipped. Why can't you see?
That is evil. Evil Knievel.
I swear if you put like roller coaster rails here, that would be a sick downhill ride. We found some graves just in the dark next to the path. It's kind of scary, man. I don't know why, but if we go hiking with one of the b-boys, we always walk down when it's already dark.
Bro, I was like, surely we're almost there. I look on the map. We're in the middle of fucking nowhere, bro. We're cooked.
It's so beautiful with the lake. And now we're going on a jetty.
You cannot.
Bro.
Yeah.
Wow.
Damn, Spider-Man.